Today let's make healthy Indian rice. Yes, today I am making curry leaves rice for lunch. It is an excellent way to get some goodness of curry leaves in your diet. Curry leaves are rich in iron and folic acid, and hence it is an excellent natural remedy to beat anemia. This is an excellent option for kids' lunchbox, and it is a highly nutritious, fiber-rich and filling meal. So let's make it. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon tur dal, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urad dal, half teaspoon black peppercorn, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 3 dry red chilies, roast it for 30 seconds. Add 1 small lemon-sized ball of tamarind, remove seed and add. And next I am adding handful of washed dried curry leaves. Now roast it for a minute. Once done, remove it in a plate and bring it to room temperature. Once it cools down, transfer this to a dry mixie jar. Now close the lid and blend it for a minute till it is coarse. You can also store this curry leaves powder in refrigerator. You can use it later. Take another pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoon ghee. And now add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon hing. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon curry leaves powder. Stir for a second. And then add cooked rice. Sprinkle half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Now give this a very nice mix. Simmer the flame while you mix. And now curry leaves rice is ready to serve with your choice of side dish. I had this with roasted prawns and it was just amazing. So guys, curry leaves are one of the healthiest leaves we use in our cooking. But what we do is we pick and throw it while eating. So try this healthy recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with your family and friends and snap a pic and tag it on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and follow us for more short updates. And subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you soon with more interesting recipes. Take care and have a nice day.